Today I'm going to show you how to make Tavuk Kapama, a baked chicken and rice dish where the rice really is the star of the show. I'm using Tropical Sun pre-fluffed USA Easy Cook rice, and I use Easy Cook rice in a lot of my recipes. The rice soaks up all the flavours, all the spices, all the juices from the chicken while it cooks, and I cannot wait to show you how easy it is to make and how utterly delicious it is once cooked.
For this recipe you'll need 250 grams of Tropical Sun USA Easy Cook rice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of sea salt flakes. You'll need half a teaspoon of Turkish red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin. You need 2 tablespoons of sweet Turkish red pepper paste. You'll need 2 onions peeled and quartered, 6 garlic cloves peeled and bashed, 8 chicken thighs, 2 tomatoes halved and thickly sliced, half a lemon thinly sliced, 1 chicken stock cube dissolved in 600 millilitres of boiling water and 3 bay leaves. Wash the rice under cold running water until the water runs completely clear and leave it to one side to drain. Add the olive oil, black pepper, salt, and then the Turkish red pepper flakes, paprika, oregano, cumin and the red pepper paste all together and mix really well. Onions and garlic have been spiced up with all those beautiful flavours now. I'm going to pop the tray in a preheated oven, 210 degrees centigrade in a fan assisted oven or 230 degrees centigrade in a conventional oven, and after they've been roasting for about half an hour I'm going to take the tray out, add the rice, the stock and a few other little treats to really ramp up the flavours. Forget to add all the juices from the chicken back to the tray and then pop the tray back in the oven for the final bit of cooking.